In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect FTP to Hostinger so you can access and manage your website files quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to upload files, install scripts manually, edit website content, or move files between your computer and your web hosting account, using FTP is one of the fastest ways to do it. The good news is that connecting FTP to Hostinger only takes a few minutes once you know where to find the details. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along without any problems. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in to the account that manages your hosting. Once you are logged in, you will see your Hostinger home dashboard where all of your hosting services and websites are listed. From here, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites and you'll see a list of the domains that are connected to your hosting account. Find the website you want to connect to using FTP and click the Dashboard button next to it. This will open the management panel for that specific website where you can control files, databases, domains, and other settings. Now that you are inside your website dashboard, the next step is to locate your FTP account details. On the left side or within the management options, find the section labeled Files. Under the File section, click on FTP Accounts. This page contains the information needed to connect an FTP client to your Hostinger server. Here you will see important connection details such as the FTP host, the username, the password, and the port number. In most cases, the port will be 21 for standard FTP connections. Make sure you keep this page open or copy the information because you will need these exact details in the next step when connecting your FTP client. Now that you have your FTP credentials ready, the next step is to open an FTP client on your computer. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly FTP clients is FileZilla, and it's completely free to download and use. If you don't already have it installed, you can download FileZilla from the official FileZilla website and install it in just a couple of minutes. Once FileZilla is open, you will see a quick connect bar at the top of the application where you can enter your connection details. This is where you will input the FTP host, the username, the password, and the port number you copied from your Hostinger dashboard. In the host field, paste or type the FTP host provided by Hostinger. In the username field, enter your FTP username. In the password field, type the FTP password associated with that account. And in the port field, enter 21 unless your hosting configuration specifies a different port. After entering all of these details, click the Connect or Quick Connect button in FileZilla. The FTP client will now attempt to establish a connection to your Hostinger server. If everything was entered correctly, within a few seconds you will see your website files appear on the right side of the FileZilla window. This area represents the files stored on your hosting server. On the left side, you will see the files that exist on your local computer. From here, you can easily drag and drop files between your computer and your hosting server. For example, you can upload website files, download backups, edit scripts, or organize folders directly through FTP. This makes FTP extremely useful for developers, designers, and website owners who want fast direct access to their hosting files without using the browser file manager. And that's it. You've successfully connected FTP to Hostinger and can now manage your website files using an FTP client like FileZilla. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple hosting, website, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.